Hi, I wanted to show you Cutline. Cutline is a startup I've been working on for about 3 weeks, and it is an AI product management suite for technical individuals and teams, really trying to instill a level of discipline and prioritization, given that we're now entering an era where um, you can create almost any software you can imagine with LLM-based AI. Cutline is designed to cut to the quick of which products and features consumers will actually pay for. And here we're giving it, I like to kind of give it silly ideas to work on. And so here the project name that we're asking it to work on is Tenet Turnstiles from the movie Tenet. And it gives you first kind of an up and down analysis of the premise. And one of the things we've done with Cutline is to try to make it as ruthless and merciless as possible. A lot of LLM based AI that you use off the shelf is going to tend to overly flatter the user, which is kind of a disaster when you're trying to prioritize which features and products to build. Here, Cutline is taking you through a market analysis of your product idea. It tends to be pretty insightful on what the main risk and key assumptions are. From here, we'll go to a market analysis, and I always like that Cutline for really kind of dead on arrival products tends to estimate TAM and SOM at $1. Here it tries to give some pricing recommendations. And then here we're getting into features and requirements and features, and really trying to kind of come up with a level of prioritization of which requirements and which features to drill in on. Here you're seeing a Gantt chart of possible development for the application. And then finally, the product copilot. The product copilot is really designed to be that kind of like product co-founder that sits with you and probes deep into the product design and tries to come up with better iterations to product. And as you'll find here very shortly, we have a bug. This is in our staging build. And in part two of this video, we'll go into how we diagnosed that bug and how we remedied it using AI vibe coding tools.